Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today the global cues was not really very good, and that's why SGX Nifty was indicating flat opening. But don't know what happened. US markets ended in red and Asian cues were mixed, some plus, some minus. And yesterday our inflation data was also not really very good. I don't know why the market went up, and Nifty Future shot up in the morning to above 17,700. And then what happened after that? Just one way fall. And the fall was below 17,500. And it was a more than 200 point fall today. On an expiry day, when it falls like this, there will hell lot of problems for option writers. And only one good thing today, that the Nifty did not break yesterday's low. It went very, very close to yesterday's low, but it did not break. But then afternoon there was a good recovery about 100 point, and again that was sold into. The market setup is really not looking very good, and particularly HDFC twins. There's something is wrong with HDFC twins, and every day it keeps falling. And I told you today morning also, HDFC Bank ADR was down 10% in the last 6 trading sessions, and it was down in 5 trading sessions out of 6 trading sessions. And even at this low level, today again both HDFC and HDFC Bank fell. And today at the closing, Nifty was down 54 points, and this entire 54 points fall came only from HDFC and HDFC Bank. About 30 point fall because of HDFC Bank, about 24 point fall because of HDFC. Such is the bad thing, So on one side, TCS after the results, it did not go up, and because of the global sell-off in Nasdaq, IT stocks are not doing well. And the financials, because of HDFC twins, huge underperformance. Only ICICI Bank is floating. Kotak Bank and HDFC twins are down. And then Reliance is also not doing well. So out of the 7 stocks, only ICICI is looking good. The rest all like falling. And that's why today also market fell on a close to close basis. Surprisingly, the top contributor to the Nifty is ITC today, and just last month it was trading around 210, and this month it is trading around 270. 210 to 270 in just 1 month, that's a fantastic run for ITC. So that is why I always believe in investing in high dividend yield stocks. The downside is limited. When it goes higher, you get some decent return. So Infosys results came just now. This video is being shot at 4:45 because I'm going for the movie today, The Beast. Infosys results came just now, and it seems that it's slightly below expectation. And just after the results, I think Infosys ADR is down by 3% in US in pre-market. So I think there's going to be more damage. So if Infosys down by 3%, then again Nifty will fall. So anyway, not all are bad. Number one, despite market falling, the India VIX did not shoot up. So that is one good thing. And second thing, US markets are firmly in green. We don't know what will happen after the market opens, but as of now, it is trading with a very good positive. Right now, Dow Future is about 200 point higher, and Nasdaq Future is about 100 point higher. So we have to see, and we have to see the closing. Sometimes US markets open in green in the first half, the second half sell-off comes. So if US market stabilizes or goes higher by short covering, we can expect something good. But as of now, looking at the market setup and looking at the components, the top components of the Nifty, things are not looking really very good. So anyway, before our markets open on Monday, the Saturday HDFC Bank results will be out. If there is any excellent result from HDFC Bank, if there is any short covering in HDFC Bank and HDFC, then only we can hope to get some kind of a recovery in the market. But other than that, things are looking very bearish. And in fact, exactly 2 weeks before, on Thursday, the Nifty Future was at 17,400. And then by Friday, it has come to 17,700 just because some insider information in HDFC merger case. Then Monday, HDFC merger came and shot up to 18,000, and then Tuesday, 18,150 Nifty Future high. And then from there, every day market falling. Now Nifty Future again came back below 17,500 today, yesterday also and today also, but it closed slightly higher. So basically from 17,400 to 18,200, from 18,200 to 17,400 in the last 2 weeks, and markets have not gone anywhere. So let us see what happens to the US markets tonight and then tomorrow also, because tomorrow is a local holiday, other markets will be there. And then if we also have to see the FII data, I don't think that it would have come so early. So we have to see how the market, but right now the market setup, like I think I've been telling you for this entire year 2022, markets are not likely to go anywhere. It's going from like it went to 18,600, then went to 16,400, and came back to 18,300, again went to 15,700, again came back to 18,200, now again coming back to 17,400. So this 2,000 point range, 2,500 point range, it's going up and down, up and down. And the kind of FII selling, the US interest rate fear, and Russia-Ukraine war, all this going to keep the markets in jittery mode, and markets may not go anywhere significantly even by the end of December. So that is why I have a lot of short straddle at 18,000. 18,000 short straddle I did for about 2,500 rupees premium. Now it has come down below 2,000, and hopefully the market is going up, down, and I will be making some good profit there. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.